Hello everyone, I'm Leslie Chandekar. I was working as a senior coordinator in Podar International School, Junagadh. I left the teaching fraternity to pursue a new mission, a mission to create a healthy society. You all would agree when I would say the Japanese society has more longer lifespan than any other society in the world. The reason for this is they believe in preventative health care. They pay their doctors to keep them well. If they fall sick, they stop paying their doctors. But here in India, we believe in curative health care. That is, we go to a doctor after we fall sick. Dear friends, you would be amazed that we spend nearly 10 lakh rupees in our lifetime after we fall sick. No money is spent on preventative health care. What we have here is one such medically certified device of Japan. It is certified by more than 6,500 doctors for preventative adult diseases. The company I'm talking about is 46 years old and it is very new in India. We import this machine from Japan. What this machine does, it filters your regular RO water. It runs through a process known as electrolysis and ionization. What that means is the Kangen water you drink from this has three different properties: microclustering, antioxidant and alkalinization. I'll explain these three properties in short. When we talk about microclustering, regular water that you drink has large molecules, that is about 15 to 20 size, whereas the water that is generated from the Kangen machine is reduced to a smaller cluster of 5 to 6 molecules. The second property is antioxidant, that is the reduction or the slowing down of the process of aging. Now, when we talk about oxidation, I'll just give you an example that if you cut an apple and keep it for half an hour, the apple starts turning brown. But if you spray water from the Kangen machine, it nearly stays fresh for 4 hours. It slows down the aging process. And when we talk about the third property, that is alkalinization, it is the level of acid content in our body being reduced through alkaline water. Okay, I'll just show you a chart which shows the orange content is the acidic content and the purple content is the alkaline content. This is a pH chart, pH scale you can see. You look for yourself. I'll just demonstrate it in front of you so you'll have a better idea. Now I have 4 different types of water. This is which is available in the market. The regular smart water. I'm just taking it little. Now when we are talking about water, there's a lot of things that are there in the market. Okay, this is a branded water company that we all spend when we are out traveling. Okay, this is our very old, very famous carborized soft drink that we usually love to have in summer season. Okay, and the last is Kangen water from the Kangen machine. Now, when you were studying in 6th and 7th standard, you remember the litmus test paper test we used to do? Now I'll just be using that same type of a technique, but here we have the ORP drops, that is the oxidation or pH tester drops that you can see for yourself. Now I'll be pouring in 2 drops into it and you'll be able to see what kind of water you get to have. The first one was the smart water. Okay, I put in 2 drops. Here I am putting 2 more drops. This is your regular, and this is Kangen water. I'll just put in a little bit more so you'll get a better idea. Now, did you see? I'll just show it to you with my chart here in front of me. Well, you can see where our smart water stands. See, it is turning a light green. So It is on the neutral side. It does not have any properties for your body. This is the regular branded water. You can see it's yellow. Is it good for your body? No, I don't think so. This is the carborized drink that we are regularly drinking, soft drinks. Now look at it, how acidic it is. But look at our own, very own Kangen water. Can you see the difference? This is what this machine produces. Now the same thing happens with our body. Okay, I'll just demonstrate that in another form. Now when we start drinking Kangen water, what starts happening? Look at this thing that happens. Our body water turns purple. Here's another example. Now this is in front of you. The entire acidic content was turned into alkaline. But that same thing does not happen when we pour it into a soft drink. This means that carborized drinks are dangerous to our body. Thank you so much. I'll show you another example of the level of water that is produced by this. I'll be taking in 2 glasses. Now, this is sesame oil. Now, this is very important for the ladies who are cooking in the kitchen. Just look at it. This is the most important aspect for you to own this machine. As you see, I am pouring in a few drops of sesame oil, sesame oil. This is similar to the coating that you have on vegetables. Okay. Now I'm going to demonstrate what our Kangen water can do. This is another water that comes out from our Kangen machine, especially for females. This is our